I am interested in looking at KRAS as a target for cancer treatment. We've identified our scaffold, and now we've identified a structure that we're interested in looking at the preparation or reactions of. I'm going to use the retrosynthesis tool in Reaxys to look at this information. I'm going to insert a structure from name here using a smiles, search the smiles, and it will insert into Reaxys here. On the side, you'll see both options for predicted and published information. In the predicted parameters, I can make a few edits to my search. I can start with looking at Reaxys commercial substances. I can set a max shipping time or a max price per gram on my substances. I'm also able to edit the number of steps, ignore or look for regioselective reactions, and then I'm also able to extend the processing time if I felt like I needed to do so. Once I'm happy with the structure, I can select synthesize, and it will bring me to my project page. The project will run and produce a result. You will get a quick view of the project itself, the substance that we've searched, and then reaction information for the routes, both predicted and published. I can view the predictive and published routes for our substance of interest. While those load in, we'll be able to see the route topology. You'll also be able to see the number of steps. You can see that some of these steps are rather lengthy. This has about 20 steps. As we scroll down, we'll get a view of all of the published information. And we can scroll down to our predicted steps and view those as well. You can see that we get a view of the steps. The first is connection and the route topology. I can hit view tree, and this will bring me to a view of the specific reaction that I'm interested in. You also still get a full view of the other routes at the top here that you can click into. At each step, you will get a Reaxys example with conditions and experimental procedures that you can view for preparing to do the reaction. You can also make edits to the route by using the plus sign to build the reaction backwards. You can also hit the 3 dots and delete prior steps if you would like to investigate different options for the reactions. You can add an additional reaction step, or you can copy the overall reaction. You are able to export out this information. So if you were interested in taking this from Predictive Retrosynthesis in Reaxys to actually doing the synthesis, you could export this information using the Export tab here.